Hello Light Travelers, today we're taking a look at the Allbirds Wool Runners. I've been wanting to test these shoes since I first heard about them a few years ago. However, they originally only shipped to New Zealand and the USA. Fortunately, though, shipping has recently opened up to Australia within the last couple of months, and I got a pair just after Christmas. So I've been wearing these shoes to work, and I do a lot of standing and walking there. In terms of comfort, they are very nice to wear, and I've also found they're very breathable and lightweight, as you would expect from wool. This means that they're also suitable to wear without socks, although I mostly did wear socks with them. The wool is quite thick and does not repel water, although they do dry quickly if they do get wet. But I would have liked to see some kind of hydrophobic coating to better repel water. In terms of pricing, they are quite expensive at $95 or about 140 Australian. Although the pricing is comparable to some Nike running shoes, but I wouldn't suggest running in these Allbirds. They're running shoes in name only. Which brings me to some of the negatives. The grip of these shoes is fairly limited on wet surfaces and can be slippery. Due to the wool construction, the shoes also do not retain a lot of their shape. As you wear them, they get more pliable. My final complaint about these shoes is that they initially did not offer a black upper and white soled version. However, they now are offering a version with a black upper and a light grey sole, so I guess that's satisfactory. Overall, a very nice pair of shoes which are comfortable and versatile for everyday wear, and perhaps even maybe a contender for an all-in-one travel shoe. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think are the best travel shoes, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.